Hey guys, Tyler Banken here. On this episode of Green Tea Time, we are rocking out. I'm going to show you one of the designer details that I love to implement whenever I'm adding rock into a landscape. The river pebbles, which are the 1 to 2 inch size, these are my base layer of rock. This is what I'm going to use the most of. For my feature rock to add in the different sizes, I incorporate the beach pebbles. These are more of like a 2 to 3 to 4 inch size. And then to fill in the gaps, I use a pea pebble. Things look before. Only one size of river pebbles in there. So boring. After shot, how much more fun does that look now with the various pebble sizes? Definitely not boring. Alrighty guys, that does it for this episode of Green Tea Time. I'm Tyler Banken. Thanks so much for watching. Do not be afraid to rock it out in your garden with all the various sizes. There's so many different options. And we will see you soon.